Replacing your home door locks. A lot of homeowners have to change the locks eventually. Many do so to ensure their security, others do so simply because they bought a new home. They do not want the previous owner to have access. The same lock will be in place after the sale unless you change it. When getting home door locks replaced in your home, it's important to call the right professional for the job. The only guy that'll really be able to help you out here is a locksmith. You may be able to buy your new locksmith at Home Depot, but are you really going to be able to install it? Which locksmith is right for me? There are a few different locksmiths available. It's important to pick one that's appropriate for your concerns. A residential locksmith's the one who handles the project you have in mind. You should try to make sure he isn't an emergency locksmith as well. Where can I find a locksmith? Locksmiths are easy to find when you use the right resources for the job. Simply log on to Angie's List to get full reviews of locksmiths in your area. Angie's List is now free to use. If you'd like to have access to every feature on the site, you will have to pay a membership fee. Another option is Home Advisor. This site has been giving people free access to reviews from the beginning. There aren't as many features on this site, but some customers would rather use a domain that isn't trying to get them to enter their credit card. Talk to your locksmith about your options. A lot of families only think about the traditional lock and key for their home. This isn't even the safest option. It's easy to make a mold of a keyhole. This is impossible for a lock that's secured by a combination. It's time to replace the locks. The longer you wait to have your locks replaced, the less secure you'll be. Almost all the reasons to replace the locks on your front door have to do with protecting your home. Isn't that important?